Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Let's have a look at problem 2506, count pairs of similar strings. In this video, we're going to explain a method based on simple counting. First, I'll read through the problem statement, then we do the analysis and share the code. First, the statement. We are given a zero-index string called words, a string array called words. Two strings are similar if they consist of the same characters. So here are two examples. For example, ABCD and CBA. ABCA and CBA are similar since both consist of characters ABC. However, ABACBA and BCFD are not similar since they do not consist of the same characters sets, I would say. So the task is to return the number of pairs ij such that, so there's an order relation, right? I does not equal to j. And the two strings words I and words j are similar. So here are two examples. So in example 1, so the output is 2. So you can read the explanation to interpret the output. And in the second example, so the output is 3, right? So actually both the three words actually consist of the same character sets. So you can choose 2 out of the 3. So that is the output is 3. So similarly, you can interpret example 3. So this problem is very simple in the sense that the word length is less than or equal to 100, and each of the single words in the list is also bounded above by 100 in length, and words I consist of only lowercase English letters. So for this problem, actually, in view of this constraint, so we can do in a brute force way. Here we provide a method based on simple counting. So the thought is the following. So for each word, so we consider its corresponding unique letters set. We count how many words have the same unique letters set. If there are k such words, so their contribution to the final counting is nothing but k choose 2. In other words, this is k times k minus 1 divided by 2. So with that said, so we can do the analysis. So you can regard example 2 as a piece or as a classified or paired substring of the whole words universe. So with that said, let's write the code. So here I'm going to use a dictionary to do the counting. So first we iterate for the word. So for word in words. And then first we want to get the set, the unique letters, set of word. And then we want to make it a dictionary key. So for this, I'm going to use sorted. So this way we have an order, right? And then we want to use because the list is mutable, it cannot be used as a key of the dictionary. So here I'm going to make it a string. So I'm going to use string John method. And then I'm going to use this guy as a key. So and then we're going to do the counting, right? So we set the key to be the get key. So if the key hasn't been in the dictionary, so I'm going to set it to be a default 0 and then increment by 1. So this is the thought. And then we just need to do the counting, right? So sum of v times v minus 1 over 2 for v in value in d values. So this actually forms a solution format for this simple problem. So let's do a check. Yeah, it passes the example 2. So now let's do a check for example 3, because in this case each of the unique letters set is different. So this is going to be 0, right? So similarly, you can check example 1. Now let's do the generic case check. Yeah, it passes all the cases. So I think that's about it for this special problem. So here, The main thing is that we use the immutability of string to make it as a key of a dictionary for our counting. And then also we use the dictionary get method to make the code somewhat shorter. And then we use a iterate, this is actually a format of comprehension. So with that said, I guess that's about it for this video. Thank you.